Hey everyone, this is Keenan with a quick update showing what we're up to at ARC. We have our flagship ARC Viking chassis up on the hoist at the moment, testing out the transport frame. As you can see, it's dead level, demonstrating the rigidity of the rolling chassis. This includes the new AEM traction motor system, Orbasto batteries, Inotherm cooling systems, and the Scania steering, to name a few. It can be self-propelled onto a flatbed truck to an approved body assembler to finish off the vehicle, using the ARC supplied body frame seen here. This enables the vehicle to be built safely and efficiently with minimal build hours and tooling due to the bolted cold assembly system. You will then soon have a complete bus, whether it's hydrogen or full electric. That's the ARC advantage. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more updates.